Today I'm here to talk about a device from Xiaomi, a newly launched device named Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. I have come up with a full review of this device that compared to its price, what are the features Xiaomi has given is worthy enough to buy or not. So that will be in the recommendation part. To get the proper information, I invite you to watch the full video. This is Rokibul Hassan and you are watching Gadget Insider. Just simple request before starting the video. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe because through your subscription, I'll get the inspiration of making next video. Now without wasting time, let's get started. First, talking about its design and build quality. Honestly speaking, the design of the rear side of this device doesn't look that much pretty to me, especially the rear side camera design. Seems like the designer wanted to make something else but has become something else. Although it is my personal opinion, but it depends on individual choice. Its body made out of plastic, but front side has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Talking about display, it is 6.53-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, which is 83.5% skin to body ratio. Resolution Full HD, but refresh rate is not confirmed yet. Now a dedicated slot has been given here for the external memory, although the internal storage are 64GB at 3GB RAM and 128GB at 4GB RAM. Now camera. As I stated earlier, the design of the camera I didn't like that much, but it has the quad camera setup at the rear side, and these are 48 megapixel wide angle lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 2 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. At the front side it has 13 megapixel single sensor selfie camera. Some of the shots I have taken through this device to check the quality because as we all know, the higher megapixel doesn't make a good camera. It's all about sensor, how good it can capture the real image with true color production. The shots are pretty okay as all the pictures have taken in the daylight condition. Image brightness, color, white balance seems perfect, although some pictures are washed out and some seems oversaturated. But I do notice here one thing, that this phone's depth sensor does not work well, because when I capture some long range photos, it did not capture well, and when I cropped it, the image became blurred. Other than that, camera seems so far so good. Talking about performance, the Redmi Note 9 is coming up with MediaTek Helio G85, which is 12nm processor. It is an octa-core processor, means it has 8 cores that maximum phones are having nowadays. Nothing much to say about this processor because it is a mid-range processor and it is made for performing your day-to-day activities. Sorry, this processor is not built for the gamers. When especially if you are looking for immense performance, smoothness while playing game, for that you need to increase your budget. There are another budget range device which is OnePlus Z, is little bit more expensive than this, around $300. Why I'm recommending this OnePlus Z for the gamers? Because the processor that has been used compared to this phone is very good. You can buy that when it will be launched. I have made one review regarding OnePlus Z and the video link has been given in the description below. You can check that out. Through Redmi Note 9 you can play games or high graphics related work, but it will not fulfill your desire. In the battery section, I believe this phone is a beast because it is having 5020 mAh battery. Yes, you have heard absolutely right. Xiaomi has given massive 5020 mAh battery which easily can support you more than 2 days. And obviously a bigger battery will take more time to charge. But thanks to Xiaomi, because they have given 18-watt fast charging capability, through that it will take around 2 hours to charge it fully. In the recommendation part, I want to mention the price. This phone will cost you around $179 and in India around 15,000 rupees. I believe the price is quite reasonable, and what are the features Xiaomi has given is worthy enough to buy this phone in 2020. So I recommend this device to you, not only for the battery but also a couple of good things that I have noticed here. And these are bigger display which will allow you to have a complete view. Secondly, camera, which looks pretty good to me. And thirdly, chipset. Obviously you have to consider the price. To keep the price lower, they have given this chipset, although the performance will be quite good enough to handle your daily operation. So that was all about today. I hope the video was quite informative and you liked it. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to suggest something, suggest in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.